So hello guys, I am here at Rajgir. Okay, I'm on Glass Bridge right now. I have Aftab with me. He is how old are you, Aftab?
I'm 12 years old.
In which class do you read in?
Class 6th.
So he read in class 6 and you can see how good he is speaking in English. Okay, so just a few questions. I'm going to do a question answer with him. How did you learn English?
I learn English from my tutor.
Okay, you tutor. So like you have personal tutor or just you learned in your school?
Both.
Both. Okay, so you can see like I have an English channel and lots of people are fearful about speaking English. So what kind of suggestion you want to give them?
I have suggestions. So he read to English.
Okay.
Then we will remember, and then we will speak our relatives.
Walk. Yeah.
Then we will practice it. अगर हम उसे practice करेंगे तो then where English is very good and we speak English.
Yeah, great. And what more, like lots of people are saying that they cannot
Yes.
remember vocabulary. So how do you remember it?
I remember from this is very simple. You have to read more times and more times. But you will not read. So you will not get your English first class.
Okay.
I speak some English, some Hindi. जैसे कि अगर आप अपनी वोकेबलरी पढ़ेंगे तो आप उसे बोल पाएंगे. आप firstly you will remember the translation. You will do translations. You will do translations, so your English is much better.
Okay. So Aftab is saying that if you really want to improve English, then you have to speak in Hindi, in English first. Okay, if you do not able to speak in English, then you can start speaking with Hindi English, like mixing. Okay, and later on you can improve. So you can see like just 7 years old kid is speaking in English. No, sorry, in 7th standard. So anybody can do it. So guys, my purpose was to meet with some guys who can motivate you, inspire you. Yeah, Aftab, you are doing so what message you want to send to my audience now?
I have to send message in audience. You have to improve your English by vocabulary. And you will have not has tutors in English, so you have to go in spoken classes and written classes, English guide. And then we will improve our English.
Okay, so
Okay.
So that was come Aftab. So okay, that was an interview with Aftab. He is a little child, okay, you can say, and he is speaking English. So you can also do, but just you have to keep patience, you have to keep practicing. That's all. Bye for this video. See you again.